In forests, deserts, and even crowded cities, a silent hunter moves through the shadows. It isn't the strongest predator. It doesn't have the speed of a cheetah or the power of a wolf. Yet, for thousands of years, one animal has earned a reputation for being exceptionally clever: the fox. In myths and folklore across the world, foxes are portrayed as tricksters and master strategists. But is the fox's intelligence just a legend, or is it backed by science? The answer might surprise you. Foxes belong to the canine family, making them relatives of wolves and domestic dogs. However, unlike wolves, foxes usually live and hunt alone. This solitary lifestyle has forced them to develop remarkable problem-solving abilities. Without a pack to rely on, every challenge must be solved independently. Studies have shown that foxes possess excellent spatial memory. They can remember the locations of food caches for weeks and navigate vast territories with incredible precision. A fox can create a mental map of its environment, remembering safe routes, hunting grounds, and den locations. This level of memory requires significant cognitive ability. Foxes are also highly adaptable hunters. The famous red fox uses a technique called mousing, where it listens carefully for rodents moving beneath snow or tall grass. It then performs a precise leap, diving headfirst onto its prey. But this isn't random. Researchers have discovered that foxes may use Earth's magnetic field as a natural compass, improving the accuracy of their attacks. If true, it would make foxes one of the few mammals known to use magnetoreception for hunting. Foxes also learn through experience. If one hunting strategy fails, they often modify their approach and try something different. This behavioral flexibility is a key sign of intelligence. Perhaps the greatest demonstration of fox intelligence is their ability to thrive alongside humans. Urban foxes now live in cities across Europe, North America, and Asia. They have learned traffic patterns, feeding schedules, and even the safest times to explore neighborhoods. Some foxes have been observed waiting for roads to clear before crossing and using human structures for shelter. Adapting to one of the most challenging environments on Earth, our cities, requires advanced learning and problem-solving skills. Many animals fail to adjust to human expansion. Foxes have turned it into an opportunity. Although often solitary, foxes are surprisingly social. They communicate using body language, facial expressions, and more than 40 different vocalizations, including barks, screams, and high-pitched calls. Fox parents invest significant time raising their young. Kids learn by observing adults, practicing hunting techniques through play, and exploring their environment. This ability to learn from experience and transmit knowledge between generations contributes to the fox's success. The fox may not possess the massive brain of a dolphin or the tool-making abilities of a crow, but intelligence comes in many forms. Memory, adaptability, strategic hunting, learning, and survival in rapidly changing environments have made foxes one of nature's most successful predators. The fox's greatest weapon isn't its teeth or its speed, it's its mind. And in a world that constantly changes, being clever may be the ultimate survival strategy. For centuries, humans have been fascinated by the fox's intelligence. In ancient Japan, foxes were believed to possess supernatural wisdom and the ability to outsmart even the cleverest humans. In European folklore, foxes became symbols of cunning and deception, often escaping danger through strategy rather than strength. These stories emerged because people repeatedly observed something unusual about foxes. They seemed to think before they acted, carefully studying their surroundings and adapting to new challenges. Modern science is beginning to confirm what these legends suggested all along. Researchers have discovered that foxes are incredibly curious, highly adaptable, and capable of learning from experience. They can remember successful hunting locations, recognize patterns in their environment, and change their behavior when conditions change. In many ways, the fox represents a different kind of intelligence, not the cooperative intelligence of wolves or the tool-making intelligence of crows, but the intelligence of an independent survivor that relies on memory, observation, and problem-solving to thrive almost anywhere on Earth.